Hi student, this is Sukumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.1, no problem number 9. The coordinates of a moving point P are a by 2 cosecant theta plus sin theta, b by 2 into cosecant theta minus sin theta, where theta is the variable parameter. The theta has to be eliminated. So that the equation of the locus P is b squared x squared minus a squared y squared, that is equal to a squared into b squared. Problem number 9. Let P of h comma k be a variable point or moving point on the locus. Here you are given that h and k, P of h comma k, h that is equal to and k that is equal to. So by data h equals given h that is equal to a by 2 into cosecant theta plus sin theta and k that is equal to b by 2 into cosecant theta minus sin theta. Okay, this is h and k, h comma k. I consider them as equations 1 and 2. Now equation 1 implies just cross multiply 2 into h, 2h by a, 2h by a, that is equal to cosecant theta plus sin theta. Cosecant theta plus sin theta equals 2 into h, 2h by a. The theta, the parameter theta has to be eliminated. For that, squaring on both sides. On squaring, we will be getting cosecant theta plus sin theta the whole square, that is equal to 2h by a the whole square. Here you can apply a plus b whole square formula, that is a square b square plus 2 into a into b cosecant theta into sin theta, that is equal to 2h the whole square is 4h square divided by a power 2 is a square. Next step, cosecant theta whole squared is cosecant squared theta, sin theta whole squared is sin squared theta, 2 into, you know that cosecant theta can be replaced by the identity 1 by sin theta into sin theta, that is equal to 4h square divided by a square. So sin theta get cancelled, which implies cosecant square theta plus sin square theta, here 2 ones are 2, that is equal to 4h square divided by a square. For getting cosecant theta minus theta, we need minus 2 here. If it is minus 2, you can write cosecant square theta plus sin square theta minus 2, that is equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta the whole square, but we have plus 2. For getting minus 2, subtract 4 on both sides. Subtract 4 on both sides. If you subtract cosecant square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 minus 4h square divided by a square minus 4. So subtracting 4 on both sides. So left hand side becomes cosecant square theta plus sin square theta 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. Here the LCM is a square, we will be getting 4h square minus 4 into a square, 4a square. So this is of the form cosecant square theta plus sin square theta minus 2, that one more step, this is cosecant theta the whole square, sin square theta is sin theta the whole square, minus we can write 2 into cosecant theta into sin theta, because cosecant theta into sin theta, that is equal to 1, because cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta, sin get cancelled. So 2 into cosecant theta into sin theta, that is equal to 2. that is equal to, take 4 as common in the numerator, h square minus a square divided by a square. For your reference, I write here, since 2 can be written as 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2, that is equal to 2 into 1 itself we can write 1 by sine theta into sine theta, sine get cancelled, that is 2 into 1 2, that is equal to 2, 1 by sine theta, that is equal to cosecant theta and sine theta as it is. So that I have replaced 2 by 2 into cosecant theta sine theta. So this is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. This itself can be written as cosecant theta minus sine theta the whole square, which implies cosecant theta minus sine theta the whole square, that is equal to, what is the right hand side? 4 into h square minus a square divided by a square. Now we need cosecant theta minus sine theta. The square has to be eliminated. For that, taking square root on both sides. If we take square root, the square will be eliminated. You will be getting only cosecant theta minus sine theta. 4 square root is 2. In between the double perfect square we have minus, so that the entire expression to be written inside the square root only. Square root of h square minus a square divided by a square root is a. Now equation 2 implies, look at the equation number 2, k that is equal to b by 2, k that is equal to b by 2, k that is equal to b by 2, b by 2 into, what is here? Cosecant theta minus sine theta. This cosecant theta minus sine theta can be replaced by 2 into root of h square minus a square divided by a. Let it be number 3. It is taken from third equation. Now we can cancel 2 get cancelled. So we have a, just cross multiply a into k, that is ak, b into root of h square minus a square. Now we have to eliminate the square. For that, square root. For that you have to square on both sides. On squaring, that means ak the whole square, b into root of h square minus a square the whole square. So ak the whole square is a squared k squared. While squaring you will be getting b square. While squaring, square and square root get cancelled, you will be getting h square minus a square. Now a square k square write as it is, b square into h square minus a square into b square. This minus a square b square comes left hand side, you will be getting a square b square. Write this b square h square right as it is, it comes right hand side minus a square k square. Now we can interchange LHS and RHS. See, b square into h square minus a square into k square, that is equal to a square b square. Now write the locus of the point. Therefore, locus of the point P is, you have to replace h by x and k by y. If we replace, h square is x square, so b squared x square, k should be replaced by y, therefore y square, and a square b square as it is. So b square minus x, b square x square minus a square y square, that is equal to a square b square. Here it is. You are asked to prove this equation. We have proved. So problem number 9 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 10 in the next video. Thank you, children.